Hello, I am Kaushal Patel. I have created one Python program for price comparison from popular e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart. So it will display the price of the product so the buyers can make the decision from which platform is provide affordable price. So first we need two libraries. One is request and second is beautiful so. So a request library is used to get the response from the server, and the beautiful soap is basically a web scraping library which is used to get the data from website which is publicly available. So first install it both the. So it is showing all requirement is already satisfied, so I have installed already. So then I have import both the library, and next I have created one header variable which contains the information about browser. So to get this information from Google, we have to write my user agent. So this is your browser's information. So copy and paste it here. So then I created two variables, Flipkart and Amazon, and then I have created two functions for the one is Flipkart and second is for Amazon. So first Flipkart. So I have here created a one name variable which replace the product title with a plus sign. So which is used in a website a product link which is a uh, Flipkart link, and then I have provided this link in the request.get function. So it will give me the response from the server from this link. Then I have created one soup variable which is used in that beautiful soap function. I have mentioned here HTML parser which is used to parse from the source code of the website. So one next I have then soup variable is used to select the title or any data from website source code. So I have selected this class which is a product's title, and also there is one other class. This is also a product title. So some category has this class for the title and some category has this class. So I have mentioned both here. Then I have mentioned another class which is a amount class. So from that we get the amount of the product in both the class. And if the amount is 0, a price is 0, then it will display a no product found. Similarly, in Amazon, created two variables of name which replace the space as in with a hyphen and plus. So it is a type of the Amazon link. So both Flipkart and Amazon has different types of link type. So then I have provided this link to the get function. So from which we can get the response from the Amazon server. Then again I have insert a HTML parser to parse through the data, and from Amazon this is a class for the title of the product. So here same logic is not applied here in like Flipkart. So here I have created two variables. One is Amazon page and second is Amazon page length. So first it will get the all the all the title of the product, and it counts the how many from this link. Then I match the here then I match the product name which user have entered and the response get from the Amazons. If it is matched, then it will return the that name and the price of that product. And if it is price is 0, then no product from found in Amazon. So, and again I have created one function named convert. So in this function I have replaced the rupee symbol or INR symbol with a blank space, because Amazon has a rupee symbol, rupee symbol considered as symbol, and the in Flipkart a rupee symbol is considered as a text. So it will, this function is convert this all, replace all this symbol and INR to in simple float value. Then I have get the user data from this in that here user can enter the product name, and here I have checked if price is 0, then no product found. If price, whatever price get from the website, it will show. Let's run it. So here we have to enter the product name, let's say iPhone 11. So here we can see that first it will search in Flipkart iPhone 11 64 GB, a price is 49,900. Then it will search on Amazon, and that price is 40,999. So here we can say that there is a price difference, and so Amazon is providing a less price than Flipkart. Then next I have created a list in that both the prices I have mentioned, and another list, and I have run the for loop from this first list, and if it will compare the both the price, and which price, whatever it is less, it will display here. And if it is if the list is empty, then the no product found is from the both the website. So first let's run this also. So yeah, here we can see that here minimum price is 40,999 from the Amazon. So here it will also provide a link of that product, and also we can also see that it will also display the Flipkart link as well. So let's check that. So here we can see that Amazon has a 40,999 link price, and Flipkart has 49,900. So yeah, it will work on any product. So let's try another product. So let's say Logitech M170, it is a wireless mouse. So yeah, here we can see that price from Flipkart is 699, and from the Amazon it's 1880. So yeah, we buyers can make the decision from this, that whichever website is providing affordable price, and here we can also see the link of that. If you want this code, it's given below in the description. Thank you. Always be a learner.